Hey guys, I want to welcome you back. This is Jim from His Nature Farm, and I know I haven't talked to you in a long time. It's been a long time. It's been quite a long time. And honestly, I want to explain why it's been so long. Because I got this channel, I've had this channel up for a number of years now, and it's been great, but I've been distracted as we've been here on the farm working. And I decided I'm going to do a quick video for you just to let you know where we're at and where we're going, because it's been a little confusing. I'm gonna say, you do these YouTube channels and you do these things and you get some traction and you're excited about it, not just because of money, because it's a fun thing to do, and it really keeps you on task and it keeps you thinking about, well, what are we doing this thing for, right? What is the purpose? And for us, it's always been a purpose of building something, right? That's what we do. Many of you have been watching what I've done over the years. And I've been everywhere. I've been doing all sorts of stuff. I've been reviewing tools. I've been showing you cabinets. I've been doing building projects and that sort of thing. And I've seen so many good other projects from so many viewers. Do you know that YouTube, I just heard this yesterday, YouTube has more listeners than all of radio has at any one time, which is huge. That's a huge, it's like 40% more, some crazy number, which is really phenomenal. And I think you could see it on the horizon, right? But when you're doing these things, you want it to be valuable. You want people to go, okay, I want to watch what you're doing because, I'm busy. You're probably busy. But I enjoy most of my things that I enjoy. I watch YouTube just like everybody else. And I get so much from it. So I want it to be valuable for you. But the reality is I'm running around chasing stuff to do so I can post it. I mean, I'm just being raw. I mean, I don't, and that's not the way I want it to be. So on top of that, the post-production of video is crazy. And you got to be a person that really likes doing the production, the video stuff. Or you got to be a guy like me who I want to do the stuff. I don't really care about the production. I really don't. And I know, what are you going to do? It's kind of part of the thing. So I can get someone in to help do a lot of the production, which I've thought about, and which we still may do. But honestly, I may not do that. I want to do stuff that is somewhat entertaining, somewhat informative, but I also want you guys to know us. Now, you may not have an interest in knowing us, me and my family. That's fine. But I kind of like videos where I kind of get to know the people, and that's kind of what I'm kind of looking at, because most people right now, let's face it, most people right now are so separated. They're so they don't even know each other. They're looking for community. And I think that's the ultimate driver, right? It's kind of knowing your neighbor, even though your neighbor may be 5,000 miles away, or your neighbor might be, 100 miles away or next door. So what we're doing here is I want to give you some purpose right now, what we're going to do, where we're going. So if you've got about no more than 10 minutes, just hang on with me. I'm going to explain what we're going to do in the next 10 minutes and let you know kind of where we're going and kind of the reason for it. And then you could decide if you want to subscribe and keep following. I hope you do, because it's important. It's important because, as I said, people are alone, and people, they want to feel like we're part of one another. Even though all the garbage going on in the world, there really are good things in the world. And there's a lot of stuff. People do videos about arguments and criticizing up. We're not doing none of that garbage, okay? I'm just being straight. I'm not doing none of that. I'm just going to be exposing to you, who we are. And you may find that you have an interest in it. Not because we're anything great and special, because, we're people of faith, of course. And the reality is that we're doing a lot of really cool things that I'd like you to see and be a part of. So our mission here is building community and connection. It is doing it with a lot of purpose. That's our mission. And in the process, we're going to do a lot of things doing that. So you're going to see a lot of content doing as we're doing this meaningful. Now, our plan is to do it once a week right now, but do it consistent. So that's one promise I'm going to give you. We're going to do daily projects. We're going to do other things though. We're going to have a day in the life. So I'm going to try to minimize any production. So it might not be a lot of production value. I'm going to do my best to keep it short, maybe 8 to 12 minutes tops. But then I'm going to have some longer things, some inspiring stories. You see, we do a lot of hospitality. And in doing hospitality, we meet a lot of really fascinating people. And in the process, I may do some inspiring stories, some interviews with people. Maybe people who, have businesses, or maybe people who we come across in our daily life. So I think that's really cool, and I'll do that as it comes along. But also, I want to know what you might want to see. You may want to see something from me. You may want to see, you may want to hear something. You may have some interest, and maybe that'll become more clear. So, put down some comments, and that will help me understand what you might be looking for, or maybe you have an interest in something you haven't seen. I'm always looking for ideas. Of course, it's got to be related to community and being on a farm. And what I mean farm is, I would say more of an idea of a missional property that we're at, which does include some farming, which does include a lot of building, a lot of creating spaces and that sort of thing. We're going to do a lot of stuff. So there's a lot of that. So nothing's off the table per se, if you can loosely fit it into that. So I love those comments. And ultimately, we are all in this together, because if you're watching the channel, you're probably a person who is aspiring to have land like we do. I mean, we got 100 acres of property here. It's not like we have a lot. We have a lot of land, and we're actually looking at getting more. And there's an economic component to this, what we do, which I always like sharing that, because maybe you have an interest in doing this as well, getting land or figuring out how to do it. And also we have a thing where we invite people to be a part of it. We have a lot of youth that come on the property. What I mean by youth, people that are probably, late teenagers all the way to early 20s, who come on and join us. And we do big things with that. As I said, we're very missional minded when it comes to feeding into the young people, who maybe don't have an ability or don't have a place to try some of this stuff out. So this is also part of our mission here. So we're doing that. I'm going to do these videos. Right now, I'm just going to do them once a week. I'm going to post them probably on a Thursday today, and I'm going to do it, and I'm going to try to get it out on a steady basis. And I may add to that as time goes on, and I'm going to take you around. So the next video, I'm going to take you around to where we are, what we have, where we are. And I'm going to try to do it. It might be a little bit cut up, because I'll have to show you around a little bit for some of you who haven't been with us. But I'm going to show you what we've been doing, where we've been, and kind of what some of our ideas are. Now, I'm a visionary. So I'm out there and I'm giving a lot of vision, and I got a lot of plans. So, plans are great, but you got to execute, right? If you don't execute, then it doesn't matter, right? But in the plans, I want you to be a part of that. I want you to see what we're kind of doing. And then in the midst of that, we'll have the practical how-tos. I make a lot of mistakes. Some of my greatest videos are the mistakes, which people love to see, which is fine. But in that, we all learn together. So anyway, I'm glad that I'm back. I'm glad that you can be back with His Nature Farm. And be back on board together. I'm just going to make this promise to you. Everything we're going to do here is authentic. We're not going to do anything for clickbait. Okay? I don't really care about that. We're just going to do what we do. And if you want to be around and watch and see what we're doing, if it's entertaining or not, I have no idea. But I think it will be entertaining. I think it will be informative. And at very least, you may be able to come to an online community and feel like you're at home. So anyway, God bless you guys, and it's just really great being back again. So I will talk to you next week, and I'll kind of show you where we're at and where we're going, and then we'll be off to the races as with the spring enters Tennessee. God bless you all.